Welcome friends. In today's ICT session, we study what is browser and configuration of browser settings and use of browser. Okay, so let's start. What is browser? The browser is nothing but the software which is used for searching different types of web pages, or just in simple language, to open internet in your computer or your mobile phones. There are different types of browsers like Google Chrome, or like in Mozilla or Internet Explorer. So we open Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so installing updates. We also open Google Chrome. There are different types of browsers, Netscape navigators, or okay. Just we go to the google.com, and here we search browser. Just a mistake. Okay, so here is different types of browsers. Okay, in this image you may see the different types of like Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. Some browsers are inbuilt in our systems. Okay, so in this browser there are different types of settings. We see what are they. In settings, some settings are like autofill. This setting saves your passwords or payment methods or different types of addresses, and whenever you come repeatedly on this website, the forms are auto-filled. Okay, but these are too dangerous if you are not using your personal computer, so ignore it. So this is for the clearing your browsing data, your cookies, or your all history. Okay, so if you are not using your personal computer, then or any cyber cafe, you must clear all data from your browser. Clear. Then different types of security like search engine. Here is search engine for Google. If I type anything in this address bar, this text box is also called address bar. If I type something in this bar, the Google search engine just search it and show me. Okay, like this. And I'm just typing this like Salman Khan. I'm just typing address bar, the Google search it. Then default browser, if any web page is open at the time. Okay, then on startup, in startup, every time open a new tab page, or here is called tab page. If I click here, the new tab page is open. Okay, or continue with your laptop, or only one page you can. This type of setting is in browser. Okay, this browser is used for the creation different types of web pages, or using different types of web services like email or different things. Okay, so here is basic settings of your web browser. Okay, thank you.